So yes, it's summertime. It is summertime. And this is a great time to try this recipe. Yep, Pina Colada, virgin Pina Colada. Now you just need two ingredients. You need pineapples, and yes, you need coconut. If you can use coconut, if you don't have the coconuts, you can use the coconut water. So yes, here we're using about a cup and a half of coconut water with about 2 or 3 slices of pineapples, and you blend them together and strain, chill, and drink. Simple as that. That's a great weekend treat. Thanks again to my darling husband. You have a wonderful weekend and let us know how you like it. Virgin Pina Colada. Yes, no alcohol needed, no alcohol added. Remember that pineapple is a digestive and coconut water is hydrating. What a great mix for this summer. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.